Hello everyone. Today I will introduce you the some functions in Stream library of Java in Java we should know. Okay, so we will go through the function and some best practice or some case we should avoid while using this library. So first we go to the intermediate operation. We have a filter function here, which is very commonly used when we deal with this library. Okay, we have example here. This example we use the user. In this user, we have some field like ID, name, age, and email. We filter by age, and we filter by the name, which is start with age later. Here we have a condition is 25 greater than 25. So here we have one start with letter A, and we have a one user greater than have age greater than 25. Okay, so let's run. We have one user here. So the next is also very famous and very widely used when we while coding with Java is map. So example here we have the list user data, and we want to collect the username from this list user data. Here we use this map function to get the name from the user, and we collect to the list of user. Okay, we will run this one to see the result. Here the next also very good use when we want to flatten next stream into a single stream. Example here, we have to list user data. We have a list of list user data, and then we want to make it to one single list in some case. So in this case, we will use flat map to flat this nested list to a single list. Okay, so here we run the program to see the result. You can see this is we have a list of list here, but after we use this function or method, we can collect to the single list here user and print it out. Next is we have a select listing here, which is for remove the duplicate from the list. Okay, so to use this one, you need to override implement the equal hashcode in the object. Example here I already generated is I just use the ID to identify the different object, but in some it is depend in your using case. Okay, you go to the generate, and we have equal hashcode here. We select the fields we want to used to identify the different object, and we generate this block of code. Okay, this one we have two user item with the ID is 2, and in our case we identify our identifier is 2, so we will just take the first one and the second one we will ignore because we don't want to select the duplicate user with a user ID is 2. Okay, here we use select distinct function, and we print the result. You can see the user with ID 2 have 25, 8 is 25, this is 26, we don't take it, 25, okay. Other is we use the short function. We have example here. We have short function. This is we have a list, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. And now we will example we will sort by the ID here. We use sort and we input the predicate to identify which field we want to use to sort the list of user data, and then we collect to the list and bring it out. Here we run to see the result. See, we have a 2, 2. If we want to use the reverse order, we can come here and we select the reverse order here. Okay, and we run. Here we see the order is reversed. Or in case you want to have a multi-shot, you can come here and then we use the then comparing, and we also use the same predicate to we pass the identifier here to sort with that criteria again. Okay, example here we have a user, and we can to pass here example I get name, and then we can run the application. Okay. Other method like limit as skit you can try is we can use some case. Okay, now we come to terminal operation. In terminal operation, we have some method like for each. We already see in the exam here. After we collect to the list, we will iterate the list and print out the data of each object. And we have to array. We have to collect here. You can see, and we have a to array. We can come here and we can get the example of user. We will convert the list to the array from this one, and we can use to array here. This one we pass the user here to identify, and we can print this one. So user array, can we we can use also use stream here to print this. This is some case you want to transfer from array to the list or the list to array. Okay. We can use to reduce. Example, we have a list of the integer, and we can to reuse this methods to paste the implementation to this function to uh, process the method we want. Okay. Here we have a example. You can see. I think it's easy. Okay. We can go through this method. When we come to the best practice, we have one example, very good example in here. Example, we can count. This is also easy, I think. We have a find first and find any. Here's the case. We go to example first, and we can see the key difference. Okay, we have a array list here, and when we use the find first, it will return the first match. Okay, example here we filter the one is greater than 25, but we find first, and then it will return the 30. Okay, and find any is we use the filter, and we use the method find any. The source of this method is maybe 30 or 40 or 50, because it didn't you see here, because it didn't respect the order, but the first is respect the order of the list. This one is find any will be faster in the parallel stream as it allow the short circuit without considering the order. Okay, we should consider that in the using the case, meaning when you use in the multi-thread or parallel stream for dealing with the large list, and you can consider this two methods. Okay, is some best practice. We have first is we should avoid modify source data by itself. We have the best practice here to show that we have a list, and we iterate this list, and we modify the data of this list. It could be lead to the concurrent modification exception in multi-thread. Okay. The best practice is we should use other list, and we can iterate the given list to collect to the new list, and we use parallel stream in the large dataset. When we deal with the large dataset, we can consider this method to faster implementation. Okay, we should avoid stateless operation. Here we have a the new list, and we iterate the the given stream and we used add here. This is the unsafe parallel stream. Instead of that, we have a new list here and we can use stream and we can collect the data from the given stream here. It's better. Here I have also listed down why we doing that, because we can't avoid modify the share multiple state. It will work safely and it have a better performance when we use parallelism into better performance when we use parallel stream. Okay, also the code look better. And we should combine filter and map when we should consider, we not should always use like this function when we want to map from the given stream to the list. Then we consider if we have some correction, we can consider filter first and then we map the given given dataset to the new one. Okay, so is always use the terminal operation like I already so we have some function or method in this state. We have collect for each reduce etc. to use this one to avoid the unused pipeline. Okay, and we use the method reference when we possible because it will more clean code. Okay, and we also be aware of known stream don't work well with the known value. I have a case here, example here. I have an example of the list, and when we use the reduced method to sum out the value in this list with the data type is long. If we didn't consider the known value or known object here, it will cause the exception. Okay, here I will delete this considering known case, and we can see the exception. We can see the known proto exception here because we have a known value here. Okay, so we need to consider that. Here we have successfully implement the sum method here. Okay, here. And that's all for today. Thank you for your listening. Please put the comment if you have any question or you want to share or want to me talk something more. Thank you.